Assalamualaikum everyone and hello. Welcome to our mini project podcast. I'm AFFIQ, your host for today. And together with my amazing team, we will be introducing our title, Soil Moisture Sensor and Rain Sensor Fusion for Irrigation System. Let's start by meeting the teams. So we start from DANIAL.
Hi everyone, I'm DANIAL bin MOHAMAD. So for this project, I handle the testing and data analysis to evaluate how efficient the system is compared to manual irrigation.
So hello everyone, I am Dayana. So I will do the design and testing the rain sensor to make sure the sensor circuit reacts accurately during the rainfall.
Thank you, Dayana. Assalamualaikum. My name is AIMAN. The job scope is system integrator hardware and software system between sensor SP32 and Labview.
Hi, I'm HULAIF and I work on the soil moisture sensors, focusing on calibrating and accuracy under different soil condition.
Hey guys, I am DAMIA and my role was to design the control system, specifically the relay and water pump connection, so the irrigation work automatically.
Okay, for my task, I'm the team leader and I'm also the host. I developed the Labview interface to display sensor and data system status in real time. So now let's talk about our project. Traditional irrigation system usually rely on manual watering or fixed schedule, which often leads to overwatering or water wastage. Our goal was to make the system smarter, to irrigate only when necessary by combining data from both soil moisture and rain sensor. So, Damia?
Yes, exactly. Some previous studies also inspire us. For example, system that use soil moisture sensor with Arduino or Labview for data login. This helps us understand how combining multiple sensors improve accuracy.
Okay, so from those references, so we set our objective to design a real-time irrigation system using soil sensor and the rainfall system, the rain sensor, and apply sensor fusion for the more accurate decision making result and monitor everything the data in the Labview.
Okay, we'll also define our project scope. It's a small scale prototype using SP32 and water pump. The limitation is that is depend on sensor calibration and those that include IoT and cloud. Then I'll pass to HAIQAL.
Okay, so our main problem statement is that many irrigation systems are inefficient. So they don't consider actual soil or rain conditions. So by combining both sensors, our system helps reduce water waste and improve crop health. So I will pass to the host.
Okay, thank you. So I have a final question. So how do electronic measurement technique that you do?
We use analog to digital conversion in the ESP32 to read voltage from both sensors. We also use signal conditioning circuits to protect and stabilize the readings, and the DAQ system to verify the data accuracy in Labview.
Okay, so All these techniques ensure that our measurements are reliable and that system respond correctly to environmental changes.
Okay, thank you. That's all for our introduction for our project. Thank you for listening to our podcast. Stay tuned for our next episode, and we will show the system demonstration and result in the video. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.
Kat,